Okay, so I got the door installed. This is the Larson Platinum Secure Screen Securities door. Sorry. Some things to point out. It's supposed to be a surface mount, which means it's supposed to be mounted outside here and outside here with the screws going this way. But I had them custom measure, and instead of doing that type of mount, we ended up drilling in because it fit perfectly, but it wasn't going to surface mount on my frame, so it wasn't going to come in here. I don't know what the plan of the person who measured it. I ordered it from Lowe's, but I had a different installer install it because the installer at Lowe's wanted half the price of the door to install it. So it's installed like a normal door frame right inside there. Okay, and so it has a 3-point locking system. So you turn the lock up, and what you get are 1, 2, and the 3rd point. Once it's locked, this locks and this locks, versus when it's not locked. Okay, got 2 of these ports, and when it locks, it just goes kind of inside there, and the same at the bottom, goes inside there. And I really wasn't supposed to mount it this way, but it worked because it fit perfectly, where you can see the screw up here that's mounting the frame. It fit perfectly. It get a little complicated. I read reviews online that people have an issue with it. Always to lock it, that 3-point locking system, you're going to go up. Now it's locked. So all 3 points are locked. Now, then you just flip this switch over to the left, so you have to remember to the left, and you can't push it down, and if you push it up, you can't get out. Okay, so it's up. Okay, so it has a hidden closer, and that's like patented. Down to open, and you see that hidden closer there. It locks there. You can adjust that, so that can be adjusted, and you pull back and it comes in. You have to be careful because when it comes in, it's coming in pretty fast. It's also a pretty heavy door, so it's 1 5/8 steel, and that's pretty heavy. It's one of the heaviest doors I've ever opened. So if something goes wrong with that closer, I think it'd be an issue because you feel the weight when you open it. So hopefully that helps. Definitely like and subscribe. So this is our dog Florida when she tried to get in, not knowing that it was a new screen. She never did it again. Hopefully the video helps.